Something looks off this morning about this, but I'm just going to ignore it. This is just going to annoy me the whole time. I have to get into it. I've already worn this shirt a couple times, but I can't find another shirt, okay? I do wish I had time last night to steam this skirt, but I just didn't. I got home pretty late, but it has pockets. This is actually a pair of my Pilates socks. It is so hot, I'm sweating. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go.